Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you how to customize quick launch from the side button on this device. So just to change the action button options, just now let's hold for a while the action button and we could see that we could activate or turn off the silent mode. And if you want to change this option, for example, to launch the camera or to another one, we should open first the settings and then find the action button. Now we have selected here the silent mode. Just slide to the left or to the right side, for example, to use the don't disturb mode from the button, the torch, the camera app, the voice memo, or also we could use just different shortcuts or to choose the some features from this available features here. So for example, I'll use the camera. Just let's go to the home screen and just hold for a while the button and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. So just to activate now camera application, we should hold for a while this side button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.